Hi crafters, Amy here, and today I have some super snark to share with you. I have some new stencils. This is 4 squares. This is a 6x6, and then this is called Seriously. So this is such a fun month for stencils and for bling and for all the things in the shop at A Colorful Life Designs. So to start, here's a photo of the finished card. I'm going to show you the inside as well to show you the direction that we're headed, but this month is a little bit different in the shop, and I'm going to explain to you why as I go. So this will be pretty self-explanatory. You can see I'm just kind of laying down some preliminary color, and then I'm going to do some ink blending. Now, what makes this month a little bit different in the shop at A Colorful Life Designs is there's actually 2 stencil bundles. You may have noticed she usually does what's called a Master Creator Bundle, which is an opportunity to collect the whole collection of stencils in that new release at a discounted price of 20% off. Now, you can't use my coupon with the stencil bundles because it's already 20% off. But what's different this month is she has 2 Master Creator Bundles. So there's a ton of awesome geometric stencils like this one, which is perfect for masculine cards, by the way, in addition to, all the things. But there is one bundle for the geometric stencils, and then there is one bundle for the snarky stencils. So if you don't like stamping, but you want to be able to put sentiments in your cards, this may be a fun option for you. And these are snarky and hilarious. So there's a whole bundle of 6x9 stencils that have a whole smattering of different snarky sentiments all over them. And I'm going to use one of those stencils as you saw here today. So be sure to check that out in the shop. I will link everything below. If you do decide you want to shop, please do use my links. It's no additional cost to you, but it does let the owner of the shop know where the sale came from so that I'll get credit for it. So I will link all that below. And again, you can't use my coupon with the stencil bundles because they're 20% off. But depending on when this airs, there is also a 3rd bundle. So for the very first week of the sale, so April 1st through April 7th, the new card bling is also getting bundled. So she bundled the 12 new colors of card bling, which are gorgeous, by the way. Absolutely my jam. I am so in love with these colors. Anyway, she linked all 12 together, and she's offering them at 20% off for that first week only. So if you want that, jump on it in that first week, and you can use my coupon AmyFan10 on top of it. So again, I'll link everything below, as well as all the products that I use, like this little die. You can see that's actually from Craft Stash. But basically, I'm just kind of working through the design. I'll come back to the card making here. I do want to carry some of this design onto the inside of the card. So I'm going to do some very light, subtle residual ink blending on the inside of the card to kind of tie that in. And then I'm going to use a second sentiment from this Seriously. So it's a little bit snarky because, if someone says bless your heart and you're from the South, it's got a little bit of snark tied into it usually. Sometimes when you say it, I suppose it could be nice, but a lot of times there's some some inner meaning behind it when you say bless your heart. Like maybe you're kind of calling them stupid, maybe a little bit. So anyway, so I decided to put bless your heart on the front of the card, and then being nice is exhausting on the inside, because I thought it was funny because you're kind of claiming to be nice by saying something like bless your heart, but really you're not being nice, you're being snarky. And then it kind of alludes to that, like being nice is exhausting. So I don't know, I just thought these were hilarious together when I thought about it. And I had the perfect person in mind to send this to. If he's watching it, he probably knows who he is, and he'll probably be getting this card. But anyway, so funny, snarky sentiments. You know your people, whether they'll laugh or whether it's not the sort of card that you want to send to them. But I have a lot of snarky people in my life. I'm pretty sarcastic myself, so I find these sentiments hilarious. Okay, here's the blingage. You see these containers, they're amazing. I got them from Amazon. There's all different sizes, which has helped me as my collection grows, just to kind of, reconfigure these. I will link that below, but this satin matte silver, this is one of the new ones from April, and it's a perfect match for the silver kind of gray look of this ink blending. So I decided to go with that one, and I'm going to put that down in odd numbers across the composition. I have some liquid glue here and my jewel picker tool, and that's going to basically be the little finishing touch on my card. So the only dimension is just that little bless your heart sentiment that's popped up. and die cut out. Other than that, it's pretty flat, it'd be easy to ship. And I have that fun continuation of the design and snark onto the inside of the card. So like I said, if you want the bundles, I will have them linked below. Please use my links. If you don't, you can use my coupon for anything else in the shop other than those bundles. So Amy Fan 10. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will catch you next time. Bye.